How to track order on DHgate. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to track your order on DHgate. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, head to the dhgate.com and here make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the DHgate, just click on the username which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And once you click on that, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply click on My Orders. And now, here, once you see the interface like this, on the left hand side, you can see the option labeled as Order. So simply click on that. And now, here, under the order, simply locate the order that you want to track and copy the tracking number associated with it. And here, once you have copied the tracking number, simply click on Order Tracking, which can be seen at the left hand sidebar. And once you click on it, on the tracking page, you just have to paste the tracking number into the field provided. And after that, you simply need to type in the security code. And here, once you're done with that, simply click on Track. And here, if the tracking number is valid, you now see the real-time status and location of your packages. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.